Hi class, my name is Alyssa Biber and I live in Delaware County, Pennsylvania. That's right outside of Philadelphia, if anyone's familiar from that, so not too far from our main campus, Widener and Chester. And professionally, I previously, in the past few months, I was working as a counselor at an inpatient drug and alcohol rehab for adults. And unfortunately, due to COVID and some health concerns of my own, I had to leave that really great opportunity. But I am going to be going back to working at the Chester County Youth Center, where I previously used to work as a youth center officer and also in their control center. And other than that, right now, full time, I'm working from home for a tech company out of Philadelphia called Inspiritech, where I am doing customer service for the Pennsylvania Medical Marijuana Project. And so, what I've liked from a lot of these past classes that I've took so far through this program is that we're getting real life scenarios, real life experience. In one of the past classes, there was a therapy technique that I was actually able to use with a lot of my clients, and they really did enjoy that. What I'm looking forward / not looking forward to is I'll be pretty upfront and honest. This is my third time taking this class, so I'm kind of feeling like I'm at my wit's end of this content to an extent. Like, I'm interested in it, and I really feel like, especially last time around taking this class, this content, it's really important, especially within social justice. And there's a lot of things that, as a social worker, that I'm very, or a future social worker, that I'm very passionate about, and do feel like there needs to be a lot of economic and social justice towards. But for me at this point, academically, I struggle slightly, so I really am a little upset in having to do this again, but I'm really eager and enthusiastic to really nail this course with an A+, and, move on through the program and get to learn a lot more of what this program has to offer. So it's really great meeting everybody, and I look forward to working with you all.